Good day. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick walkthrough of your Click dashboard. To begin, you have to log in. And to log in, you have to enter your email address and your password and click login. Once you've logged in, the first thing that you'll be presented with is your dashboard. On your dashboard section, you'll be able to see your total active cards, your total deactivated cards, inquiries, total appointments, WhatsApp store orders, and WhatsApp store pending orders. On the bottom section, it will give you metrics on how many people have visited your digital profile and how many people have visited your WhatsApp store. By simply hovering on top of these banners, you'll be able to see how many visitors have visited both your digital profile and your WhatsApp store below. On this button, you'll be presented with an option to filter by date. And if you select the date range, it will simply apply it directly onto your graph, and you'll be able to see the visitors who have visited your digital profile and your WhatsApp store on the specific dates you have selected. Moving on to our side menu. Under V cards, this is where you get to see analytics of your card and you get to set up a new digital card. On this table, you'll be presented with the name of the card, the URL that you can share with your clients to visit your digital profile, the total view count of this card. You can toggle on and off the status. You will see the created date, and under the quick actions, here you'll be presented with analytics specifically on this digital business card. You will see on this graph how many people have actually visited your card and on which days. And again, you have an option to filter by date. If you scroll down, you will see the visitors based on the countries they've visited from, the devices they have used, the operating systems, the browsers, and the languages. Under your quick actions, you'll be able to see how many people have subscribed directly onto your newsletter. And the next section, you'll be able to see the total number of people who have actually downloaded your profile, as well as see the name, the email address, the phone number, and when they actually downloaded for your leads. You can export as PDF and CSV. The next section allows you to edit your business card. On this section, you'll be presented with all these options that if you click onto, you'll be able to add, select your templates, customize your dynamic card, add your business hours, customize your QR code, add your services, products, embed your Instagram feed, embed your LinkedIn feed, add pictures, videos to your gallery, create blogs, add your testimonials, add iframes, create your appointment dates and time slots, add your social media links, add your custom links, create a banner. Advanced section allows you to add your CSS and JavaScript. You can change the fonts, manage your search engine optimization, add your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and manage the sections that you want displayed directly on your digital business card. If we go on to the WhatsApp store section, here you'll be presented with the URL that you can share with your clients, and then they will access your WhatsApp store. You simply click this URL, and then you'll be able to actually see how your WhatsApp store appears to your clients. Going back to this section, this is the number that you will receive your WhatsApp orders to. You can change the status to switch it on and off. You see the created day. Again, you'll be able to see the analytics of how many people have visited your WhatsApp store, from where they have visited it, the devices they have used, the operating systems they have used, the browsers they have used, and the languages. Going back to your section, here you have an option to see how many people have actually subscribed to your newsletter, and you can edit your WhatsApp store by clicking on this pen icon. You'll be presented with an option to set up the URL of your WhatsApp store, your store name, your WhatsApp number that you receive orders to, etc. Under WhatsApp templates, you'll be presented with an option to select the template that is relevant to you. We currently have 8 options to pick from. You can set up your business hours, set up your products categories, add the products, see the product orders. The advanced section allows you to add custom CSS and JavaScript, manage or change the fonts, manage your SEO, add trending videos onto your template, and add your terms and conditions, delivery policy, privacy policy, and return policies. Under WhatsApp product order, this section allows you to see all the orders that have been placed directly from your WhatsApp store. Under inquiries, you would have an option to see all the inquiries that have come through. If you click on the eye icon, you will see the exact name of the client, email address, phone number, as well as the message they have left for you to respond to. You can choose whether to give them a call or send them an email by clicking on the email and using the email service provider that you use to respond. Under the appointment section, here that's where you will be able to manage your bookings. You will be presented with the name of the client, the email address, the phone number, the date and time slot they have selected, and the status section allows you to see all the complete orders or the ones that are pending. You'll be allowed to change or approve them. On the type section, it shows you whether it's a free booking or it's a paid for booking. If you click on the calendar icon, you'll be able to see all the appointments in a calendar format. Under the product orders, here you'll be able to manage all the orders that have come through from your digital business card. You'll be presented with the name of the product, the name of the client, the date in which the order was placed, and under the payment type, you have an option to approve or reject an order. Please note that if it's electronic payment, then it will come through as approved automatically. But if it's a manual payment, then you would have to approve it by clicking here on the approve section. If you click on the eye icon, you'll be able to see the full details of the order placed. Under the affiliation section, this is where you'll be able to copy the URL, share it with your friends and potential clients. As soon as they sign up onto the platform and pay for their subscription, you'll get a commission. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the members that have currently affiliated. Use your URL to sign up onto the platform, and as soon as they pay a subscription, you will see how much is your commission. Under the withdraw section, this is where you will see how much you have earned, and you'll be able to request for a withdrawal by simply entering the amount, entering your PayPal email address if you use PayPal, or you add your banking details and click on save. This will be sent to a Click admin, and then they will process your payment. On the top buttons here, you'll see how it works. This will give you a breakdown of how to actually share your URL. And if you click on the send invite, it gives you an option to add an email address for the client you want to invite. And you just click on send. They'll receive an email stating that you have invited them to sign up onto Click. And as soon as they sign up, you'll be able to get a commission. Under the storage section, this is where you get to manage your storage. It gives you a breakdown of your total storage and the amount that you've currently used. It also gives you a breakdown of which section and the total megabytes that each section is currently using on your storage. Under the settings section, this is where you get to set up your PayPal email address. If you want to allow your clients to pay to you directly using PayPal, you can set up the currency that you want to use. You can set up the minutes in which you want the newsletter pop-up to come up. You can set the time format. On these toggles, it gives you an option to enable attachment for inquiry. This will allow your clients to add an attachment when they are sending through an inquiry. On this toggle, it will allow you to add a form. Once you click on the Add to Contact button on your digital profile, it will prompt them to add their name, email address, and phone number, and this will work as leads. On the next section, it allows you to enable if you want the customer to receive an email once they've placed an order. And on this section, it allows you to toggle whether you want to receive an email each time an order is placed. Under the Enable PWA, you can switch this on if you want your digital profile to be downloaded onto the mobile phone for your clients, and they'll be able to access your digital profile as a mobile app. And here it simply allows you to select the icon that you want to use for your app. Under payment configuration, you would have an option to add the payment gateway that you use. By simply clicking on the toggle, you can actually add your key and your secret key, and then Stripe will be added under the payment options when the client is placing an order. We have integrated in quite a few of the payment gateways, so you simply pick the one of your choice and then you add the relevant details. Please note that money will be transacted directly to your payment gateway, and there are no additional fees that Click will charge. You also have an option to add a manual payment option by simply switching this toggle on, and then you add the details, payment details that you want the client to manually make a payment to. Remember to click the Save button for these settings to be enabled. Under the OpenAI section, you have an option to actually add your OpenAI key and model. OpenAI will help you in setting up your products, your services, as well as your digital profile. Under the custom domain section, this allows you to add a URL, custom URL. If you already have a website, then your URL will be used for your digital profile as well as your WhatsApp store. Under the Manage Subscription section, this is where you see the current plan that you're on, and you'll be able to see how many cards it allows, how many WhatsApp stores it allows, and you'll be able to see when your subscription is running out. Please note that the system will send through an email 7 days before your subscription runs out as a reminder, so that you'll be able to pay for your subscription. This section would allow you to see all the tools that your current subscription package allows. You can click on the Upgrade Plan button, and this will allow you to select the subscription package which you would want to upgrade or downgrade onto. Under the Manage Subscription section, you'll be able to see all the subscriptions that you've currently signed up onto, and the ones that are active and the ones that have expired. This is all that you can actually do on your Click dashboard. Please note that you can access this dashboard on web and even through your mobile phone. If you have any inquiries or need help, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be able to assist you. Have a good day.